Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do I do to protect workplace culture? So, as an investigator, and maybe it's just the mama bear in me, but I really feel protective of the culture of the companies that I work in. And so I am aware that any workplace investigation is disruptive both to the culture and also to efficiencies. And so in order to protect culture, there are two main things that I do. So first of all, I get in and I get out. It is preferable to me that the only people that know that I exist are the people that I'm interviewing. And so if that means I work on the other side of the building and I call people down one by one and nobody crosses anybody else's path, that makes me very happy. If I'm having to work off site so that nobody knows that I'm there and who I'm calling, that is very happy to me, makes me very happy. The other thing I do, and I talk about it in my initial admonishments and, then sort of sometimes throughout the interview, is I remind people that I'm going to find out if they start the gossip. So I promise them a level of confidentiality between interviews. So I will not talk to one person in an interview and say what the other person said in that interview. I always tell my client contact, but as between interviews, I never talk about what somebody else said. I might say things like, I've learned that this happened, or would it surprise you to say that several people I talked to told me this? But I will never say, Betty told me you did it. That will never happen. That is just so destructive to culture of a workplace. And so I won't ever do it.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.